short version of live today because I had to work a little bit over my lunch break, helping out. So it's a short version. It's like a 10 minutes. It's not that beautiful, but it's not raining. It's dark clouds. My friends, them really migrated for a while. Not seeing anybody, any of them. They're gone. They're all gone. They migrated. Just a quick one, guys. Had to walk. Andrea Campbell. Hi. Hi, Andrea. What's up, girl? How you been doing? What's going on? What's going on, girl? Long time. My classmates from UWI. You good? Awesome. 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 I'm on like a lunch break. My lunch break cut short today. So I only have a couple minutes with you guys. Hi Lola. Happy New Week. Shireen birthday coming up, me not see her yet. Yeah, very long time we not speak. From we graduate, we just apart and look how we used to be everywhere. Look how we used to be everywhere. Lola, what's popping for the new week? Mother's Day coming up. What's the plans? What are the plans? Shireen soon come, okay. Okay. What are the plans for Mother's Day? The river is still today. The river is still no excitement on it. Me not see no boat. No boat. It's just calm. Just like everywhere else. It's so calm. Just come from my doctor's appointment. Oh, hope everything went well. And you're doing well. Yeah? Yeah. So I have a short lunch today because I was helping out at the front because of short staff. The other person getting sick, flu. I don't know if it's the pollen from the trees. I was a bit woozy over the weekend, but I took something. Hi, Cheryl. What's going on? Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Princess. What's a Guana, Canada? We just show them the river out there, so you know. The river. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Yeah, see the river there? Enough things are going on over there somewhere.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. Thank God, Lola. I'm happy to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that. Yeah. So I'm not go on a marathon walk today because I'm late. It's just a short walk today. I never did want to come. I did feel so tired because I'm fighting something. Had to be taking some multivitamins over the week, multi-symptom stuff and vitamin C. 'Cause everybody getting sick. So based on that, we're short staff. So I came out late today. Wow. Guys, me having them braid here long. Time to take them out, you know. See it when they put them in, it's so hard. And I well want to come out the next day. No, me I struggle for when to know when to take them out. But then if you come out now. Whew. Braids are easy lifestyle. Easy and lazy lifestyle. Whew. Actually, ill. Look on the hill when I go up, guys. That hill, you know? Hill. See it? It's a bump. So, what that mean? I go step on the... Jackie, good afternoon. Yes, like up the live. So much people on the live and me only see 2 likes. I turn Auntie Dana here now. Me not say nothing more. Me not surrounding no more beautiful scenery until me get some more likes. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Jesus. Me unfit. I can't hardly go up the little piece of bump. Whew. Look on the beautiful campus me showing I don't know like up the live, man. Beautiful campus. Carmine, look me down. I'm a good road. Them are driving and I come me up on half of the road. I must run this on name, so. Woo! Road busy today. I walk with a cars this. Me glad as me come and me press like. Of course, Cheryl. I said for go like man, like up the live, share and subscribe. McDonald's cross the road. One day me I go just walk. Walk and carry now. And that I go build the marathon. Carry no go to McDonald's and come back. Boy. Boy. Beautiful scenery out here. Beautiful grass. Beautiful lawn mowing. Look at the lawn. Beautifully done. The trees are fully blooming. That's why persons are getting sick. I think I something coming. I'm not take a bounce down here today. I have 2 minutes leave, but I come out late. So them have to go sit with me till I reach. Till I reach back at my desk. But I let me down, sir. Turbidity. Well, that loop just put up there, so. Hi. Good, and you? Okay. Yes. Tamasha. Welcome in. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I not seen my squirrel friend them. They look like them gone. I migrate to one different part of the campus. Or them can't take the poor life and go and look food. Yes, of course. Of course. Not a problem. I could show you more, but too much students. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Look at that tree over there. That white tree. So beautiful. So, so beautiful. Mm-hmm. Nice. Beautiful campus. Everything blooming. Everything looks so green. Maybe too cold for them. No, some of them come out a cooler weather than this. I just about 3 lives ago, 3 of my lives, they were on it and it was much colder. Oh Jesus, me see one. Ooh, me see one. Me see one. Where the guys? All birds. Me see one guys. Talk too soon. Hold on, hold on. You see him? Wanna see him? Wanna see him? See him there? Wanna see him? Wanna see him? See him there? See him there? You see him? You see him pretty, pretty tail. Wow. Look how him eyes up that tail there. Whew. Look on that tail there. How it eyes up. He ain't gone. I see him. Him still there, man. I just know. I don't want to go too close to him for him run away. Okay, you see him. Okay, see me. See me look at me there, look. He might make me afraid. He was looking at me. Like him I go say, I wish I go. Touch him. Squirrel eat grass. A grass might eat or an insect. You guys? A grass the squirrel eat or an insect. Like a grass. I don't know if no insect there so. Is that being Hampton? No. No. It's so beautiful. I eat grass, man. I must grass. Nothing else not that I can eat. It's not big Hampton. Where that is. Where that is, Lola? Beautiful campus. Ask him. Hey. Hey, squirrel. What you eating? Squirrel? Them say if you ask you what you eating. Squirrel. Squirrel. What are you eating? What are you having for lunch? Student, them a move off. Summer break coming up. Squirrel not answer ya. Him just a eat so. Him not answer Lola. Him just a eat so. Yes. So take a little 5 minutes extra. So let's go back inside. Oh, should I walk here so you're so nearer? Walk here so you're so nearer. Me da run. Anyhow me hear answer me run gone. Run me run gone. When you run me run today. What run me run today? Nothing gonna catch me back. What run me run today, guys? Nothing gonna catch me. So thank you all for coming in as usual. Dominique, you come late when I leave. Thank you all for coming in. Oops, 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 oops. So, thank you all for coming in. I'm going to my desk now. Thank you so much. My two layers, let me just pull the door out. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you guys. See you all tomorrow. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. I'm out of here. Peace. Bye guys. Take care.